Brethren, the time we have been waiting for now is here.
Okay.
The time to receive from our daddy. Brethren, this man is one of a kind, a blessing to this generation.
Okay.
He has OND in theology. He has MTN in miracle. He has DSTV in signs and wonders.
Oh my God.
Brethren, what am I saying? Clap your hands together as I welcome our daddy, Daddy Gio of creativity, with our love word for him. God bless my daddy. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome, sir. You are welcome, sir.
It is going to be great today. My daddy is already here.
Yes.
My father is already here.
Croatia, Gabon, Mali. Listen to me. In Baba Wisdom International Ministries, we do not judge here. Rather, we grace your life and what you have in there with the word. Somebody say, yeah. Somebody say, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do you know the king put Daniel in the lion's den because he could not sue down?
No.
Brethren, be focused. Canada a tailor, cut hair like a Barbados. Never. Talk to your neighbor, tell your neighbor, I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Can I preach here? Can I preach here?
Go and sit down.
Amen, yeah. When you meet a heartbroken lady who does not like wearing bras, run. Don't you know that bras heal?
Sorry? That's rubbish.
Ye men, I conducted a poll and I noticed that women love being in charge.
Right.
So if you want to live long, you need to put your woman in check. Then mark your territory against our friends, especially the male ones. Don't even let her boss know. Are we together? Also, if you want to live up to 80, you need to stop taking turkey, stop taking Cuban cigar, stop taking chili food, no matter how hungry you are. I had a dream. I went to a zoo in the country with the letter K, not Korea, but Kenya.
No.
I met Jordan, a Nigerian singer. He wore a Senegal made with Guinea. Oh man, the singer poor. Also, I met a photographer. She said hello America and asked if I could wait to take pictures with my tour guide Ali. I said come on, no rush here. I took pictures, picked some seashells and headed into the jungle. Can I shock you? Can I shock you? Shock us, sir. And suddenly, a lion came, grabbed Ali, and began to eat Ali. Oh, it was a catastrophe. I ran to go and get help. The lion ran too. I ran. It ran. I ran towards an highland to get to the border. And guess what?
What happened?
And there was no way. I feel the spirit there. But I'll see you next Sunday.
That is the voice of foolishness.